Hey Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com, coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Today for my Wait, What? Wednesday tip video, I've got a pretty good one for you. It has to do with making a mistake, because we all know that as a stamper, we make plenty of mistakes, and I include myself right in there. If you caught my Friday video, no, it was on Thursday. Did you happen to catch that I kept calling the koala bear a panda? Seriously. I hope you got a good chuckle out of it, because I know I did when I was editing that video, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that is not a panda. Anyways, I think I have a good tip to share with you that's going to help you out and alleviate your panic when you do what I've done. Hang tight. First of all, I want to let you know that no ink pads have been harmed in the taping of this video. All right, so here's what I am going to share with you today. So, you see me with a lot of ink pads out, and I know that at home we tend to stamp that way too. We open it, we set it down, we bring out another one, so on and so forth. So we're just stamping along, stamp, 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 stamp. Somebody comes in and talks to me, stamp, and then I stamp in my yellow ink pad. Can you believe I just did that? I know, right? It sends you right into a panic. I know also, if you're a demonstrator and you've brought your supplies home from a stamping event and open it up to find this, it can make you crazy, right? So here's what we're gonna do. Or I should say, this is how I handle it. I get out a baby wipe and I take that baby wipe and we are going to dab, dab, dab. Now you can see that black is still in there. Keep dabbing. If you can clean this up right away, you can get all that color out that doesn't belong in there. We do not want black in our So Saffron. And you just keep dabbing at it. Don't rub it. You just want to dab at it. And you can see that we've pulled all the ink out of the side there, right? Now what? Now we're going to bring our re-inker in, and we are going to add a little ink where we took all that ink out. And so we can, I want to keep using this ink pad. If I were going to stop using it, I could put it away and it'll all blend in. It'll soak in, that ink will be wonderful. But because I want to use it right now, we're going to take a plastic spoon. Now I always keep this in my office in a little basket right under my desk so that I can re-ink my ink pads. This is how I add ink to my ink pads. But if you need to fix one, you're going to just push that in there, spread it around. Life's going to be grand. We can continue to stamp. And this is going to be completely cleaned of any black ink that was in there. So, when you make that big mistake, don't have a bird. Just remember this tip. Grab yourself a baby wipe, dab that obscene black out of your So Saffron so that you can continue to have a wonderful stamping experience. Okay, guys, I hope this tip has been helpful for you. I love these Wednesday tips. And I usually come up with them when I've maybe run into a problem. Of course, this is quite a problem. Now remember, this is the most happiest time of the year. It is celebration right now until March 31st. For every $50 that you order, you get to choose a free item out of this brochure. And we have some beautiful offerings this time around. One of the favorites is to be a discount shopper. Now, if you're a serious stamper, you should be getting your Stampin' Up! Supplies at a discount. When you join my team of discount shoppers during celebration, you're going to get a whole bunch of extra benefits. First of all, you're going to get this beautiful sampler pack of 6x6 designer series paper. This is a ton of paper in here. You're also going to get this adorable little paper trimmer, and this thing is fabulous to keep on your desk. It cuts like a charm, and I like that it doesn't take up much space. So I just kind of leave it sit right over here, and I can trim things off when I need to. That's not all that you get. You're also going to get to choose any stamp set of your choice. The only stamp sets you cannot choose are our host exclusive sets or celebration sets. Any other stamp set is available to pick. So you get paper, you get a stamp set of your choice, you get this mini trimmer, plus you're going to get a paper pumpkin kit. All of this for $99. You're going to get to choose $125 in any product that you want to fill up that kit order, and you get free shipping. It is always the very best deal of the year. And if you're a serious stamper, or if you're just getting into stamping, you should definitely be getting your product at a discount. Join my team of discount shoppers. It's a lot of fun to be part of something so much bigger. If you would like to place an order today, please use this host code. You can head right over here to my blog. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to my website where you're going to see an online ordering button in the right-hand column. Click on that. You'll find all of our publications there. Please use this host code if your order is under $150. If it's over $150, don't use the code. You're going to get some Stampin' Rewards from Stampin' Up, and I definitely want you to have them. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up on YouTube, and please make sure you click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. And don't forget, Sunday nights, 7 p.m. Central Time, I am live on Facebook. It's a super fun class. There's lots of giveaways and lots of inky shenanigans. And because this is Hump Day, if you head over to my blog, you're going to find the joke of the week. I hope it gives you a little giggle. I think we all need to laugh a little bit more. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Head over to my blog, get yourself a giggle. Bye-bye.